I am a bird, entangled in something I thought was food. The material is now in my feathers, in my eyes, in my throat. I can't breathe. I am a fish, trapped in this transparent fabric. The sea used to give the feeling of freedom. Now suddenly my movements are limited by these sort of walls. I used to be free. Now I can't breathe. I am a staghorn coral. Since I was born, I was never able to move anywhere. Never had to. I am surrounded by my friends and family. Life in my community was fruitful. New members come and go every day. One day a new being came into my life. This one was quite a hugger. He hugged onto me and hasn't let go since. I can feel other species leaving. I am hungry. I can feel the hugger is poisoning me. I can't breathe. I am a turtle. This jellyfish tastes funny. I don't remember having to chew this much for any meal in my life. I can't spit it out now. Neither can I swallow it. What kind of jellyfish is this? What should I do now? I can't breathe. I am a plastic bag. I was created in a factory far away from here. I was brought here by the force of both nature and humans. I am now somewhere dark, somewhere wet, somewhere narrow. I can't move, I can't see, I don't feel. I was never able to determine my own path. I can't breathe. I am Tintin. I am trapped, kind of. I have arms and hands and strength to break myself out of this plastic wrapper. I am aware of what got me in this situation and sentient enough to know how to get myself out. I've only been in this situation for a few minutes, and I already feel myself suffocating. My friends know my safe word. I only have to shout one word before they run to me and save my life. But that's the worst case scenario. My objective is to break out of this myself and continue playing music for you. Now with less and less oxygen, I feel my strength leaving me. You guys remember the safe word, right? Because right now, to be honest, I can't breathe.